Understanding the type code for the DKC drive controller. DKC11.3-040-7-FW. DKC is the series identifier. The installed option card is denoted by 11. This option card has no custom communication interface. The 3 denotes the generation of the DKC. 040 denotes the DKC's rated current of 40 amps. 7 denotes the DC bus nominal voltage of 700 volts. FW denotes factory installed, default firmware. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all DKC repair and refurbishments.